What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video. Today I have the OnePlus 10 Pro with me, and I just want to do a sound test. So I just want to see how the speakers sound on the OnePlus 10 Pro. So let me go over to YouTube and find some non-copyrighted music. So let's type that in, and we're gonna play some music so we can test out the sound. So this is coming from the OnePlus 10 Pro. If I cup it, this is what it sounds like. But so far, so good. You can hear it. So, in the comment section below, just let me know what you think about the sound coming out of the OnePlus 10 Pro. I think it does sound pretty good, but this is all the way up. Have it all the way turned up. That's as far as it goes. In the comment section below, let me know what you think about the sound. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.